Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Miss. Let me introduce myself. I am Dara Cahyani from class 2D. I want to pronounce three syllable words and spell it. For the first example is amazing. 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 The spelling is AMAZING. Amazing. For the second example is nobody. 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 And the last example is anytime. 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 Thank you for your attention. Thank you, Miss.